Hey everybody, so since I installed my mini braids on the 31st of August, I'm just taking them out. So I'm just applying shea butter on the tips of my hands and I'm just taking them out, and the flaxseed gel I applied have fully dried up, so I'm just taking them out. And when I was installing this set of mini braids, I just decided to use my imagination to create my lines. That's why you can see my lines are like this. I didn't want to use any sharp objects because sometimes too much of sharp things can cause alopecia. So I just decided to do freehands using my imagination. I didn't even use my mirror this time around. Well, it's not as bad as it is. And I'll be sticking to these 126 mini braids as a semi-permanent part. I'll be using the same part for at least these 4 months and next year, January to December. So if you are yet to join the 4 months mini braids challenge, there is still an opportunity for you to join and grow your hair long, thick and healthy. Growing a fussy hair is not as difficult as most people make it to be. Fussy hair is not difficult to handle if you can learn the basics of your hair, learn what your hair loves, herbs your hair loves, product your hair loves, and trust me, your hair will grow healthier and longer. You all need to stop believing what people without fussy hair are telling you about your own fussy hair. Fussy hair loves herbal shea butter. Fussy hair loves thick oils like castor oil. These are the only 2 things you need in growing out your hair. Fussy hair love hydration, especially when it comes natural from aloe vera. Fussy hair strives on this ingredient and products. I have always been natural, but my hair refuses to grow. My hair was stuck at a particular length and just decided it will not grow for as long as I can remember. So I decided in 2023 to fully go into growing out my hair using just shea butter and aloe vera, and I've been able to grow out my hair to this level in 2 years, 3 months with shea butter and aloe vera juice. I just recently incorporated castor oil as my leave-in conditioner, and that's one of the best decisions I have made. I noticed fussy hair love thick oils and love thick butters. Stop believing everything they tell you about natural hair. You mustn't use all the products you see online. Fussy hair can strive with as minimum as you using only any oils of your choice. In today's video, I'll be teaching you all how we are going to be moisturizing our hair in the course of this challenge. You can come back to this video for reference when moisturizing your hair. This is exactly what we'll be doing, and we'll be moisturizing our hair 3 times in a week, and at the end of the week, the last day of our moisturizing, we'll be sealing in with our flaxseed gel once in a week. So follow me on this journey as I grow my hair to nail length. All right, let's dive right into our moisturizing routine. We'll be using only 2 things in moisturizing our hair, which is 1, our aloe vera juice. I spray this juice first on my hair, and on the back of my hair, my edges and my side, and just massage it with my hands to make sure my hair is massaged in these areas, because most of the times we forget these areas when hydrating and moisturizing our hair. And don't forget, when you want to moisturize your hair, put your hair in 2 parts, because we'll be working parts by parts during our moisturizing routine. So the next thing I do is to take 1 part down, spray in with my aloe vera juice, spray it into my scalp, and just let my scalp be damp a little bit. When you are doing this process, please do not make your hair too wet. Just damp your hair to give it a little bit of hydration, and I use my hands to massage my scalp. The next thing you want to do is to spray the aloe vera juice on the body of your braids also. So I spray on my scalp, I massage, I spray it on the body of my braids and also on the ends of my braids. Aloe vera makes your hair thicker and fuller, so you want to be using aloe vera juice to hydrate your hair instead of using normal water in hydration. Trust me, aloe vera thickens your hair, it strengthens your hair, and it also prevent itchy scalp and dandruff. Next, it is time to seal in this hydration, the moisture we've gotten from our aloe vera juice. Go in with your herbal shea butter, apply it on the ends of your hair, leave 1 inch or 1.5 inch from your roots downward, then apply your shea butter and apply much quantity, just enough, not too much, on the ends of your hair. Do this very carefully, very gently, and as you are doing this, spray on your hair. Speak positive words into your hair, speak life into your hair. This is what I do. So these are the procedures we'll be taking for moisturizing our hair, and we'll be doing this 3 times in a week. On the last day, which is on Saturday, I'll be showing you all how to use flaxseed gel when moisturizing your hair. To not just moisturize your hair just like that, casually. Moisturize your hair with intention, moisturize your hair with prayers, moisturize your hair with scriptures. Speak life into your hair, speak what you want to see into your hair. Remember, the tongue is powerful. So I'll be doing the other part off camera, and I'll be showing you the major last step you need to take in order to retain your moisture and to retain length. So the next thing I do is to put my hair in section of braids, just 3 chunky braids. And as you are putting your hair in the section of braids, please cover your ends. Make sure your ends are under. Remember, if your ends are protected, you will be able to retain length and you will see growth. So take care of your ends. Remember to be spiritual on each step of your hair care routine. Don't just live a casual life. Be spiritual about your life. Be God driven and focus on what God wants you to be. God bless you. So the next thing is to use a hairband to just cover my ends. Remember, our ends is length retention. Doing this, please use a good hairband, not your regular rubber band, because it can lead to breakage. The next thing I do is go in with my 2 hair tie, the lighter one and the darker one, to make sure my hair absorbs all the hydration and the moisture. So I'll be seeing you all in our next video. For now, bye. God bless you.